Hello everyone, I am Om. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you a website through which you can get Udemy courses for absolutely free. And after enrolling in those courses, you can have the access for it throughout your life. So without wasting any time, let's get started and get to our computer screens to see how to enroll in those courses. Okay everyone, now we are at google.com. Now here you have to search for the website Disk Udemy. And after searching that, you have to go to the website www.diskudemy.com. Here you will get many language preferences, out of which you have to select your preferred language. Now, as I have selected the English language, the courses which are available in English are being shown here. Now, for example, if you see here Python for Engineering course in depth, this course is available for $114 and this course is absolutely available for free for $0 for us. This is CSS Bootstrap JavaScript Web Development course. This is also $114 course and this is also available for 0 rupees. This is the Lead Effective Meeting course. This is also available for $0 and there are many courses like this which are absolutely free from here. So for example, here we take the Python for Beginners course. Just have to click on this link and this will give the description of what the course is about. And you can see a take course option here. Just click on it. Now there will be a coupon course link. Now this link is specific and you can't get the exact link directly on the Udemy website. So if you want to avail the course for free, you have to click on this website and go, because this website contains a special coupon code which makes the course for $0. Just click on the link and you will be directed to the Udemy website, and the price for the course, if you see here, which is Python for Beginners, is free now. So after signing up in your account, and just click on enroll now, and you can enroll in this course for free and you will get the access for this course lifetime, including the certification. I hope you found this video valuable. If yes, then do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such valuable content. Thank you so much.